Hi friends, this video shows how to install Amazon Prime Video app. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. First go to Media tab. Select Media tab from top left corner. Then go to left side and select all apps. Now we are inside all apps. Here on top right side you can see search. Set search. Here we can search for Amazon Prime Video, or go back, then go down under this video and music apps. From this list we can find Amazon Prime Video. See, select Amazon Prime Video app, then select this download button. See, now it's downloading Amazon Prime Video app. Please wait. Okay, installation completed. You can see now Prime Video app is ready. Go back, go to media. So now here under media we can see icon of Amazon Prime Video app. From here we can directly open this app, or go to app library. Under app library we can see all installed apps. From here also we can open. Let me select Prime Video app, then select start. Done. So this way we can install Amazon Prime Video app. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.